na, kuha na, tikokok na.
No, that's bad!
Abay, lulutuin niya ni Lolo. Gagawin food.
No!
Anong gagawin mo dyan? Gagawin mong pet. Aba, yun ay lulutuin ni Lolo.
No, that's bad!
Oh, lari. Oh, nilagay na by snail.
Tira natin eh.
Ka na, iyak. Why are you crying?
I love snails.
Ha?
My snails are me.
Oh!
Oh. Oh, meron pang isa.
I want some more snails. I want some more snails.
Eh, nandoon yun, oh. Nandoon lang. Naliligo. Oh. Naliligo, oh. Oh, yeah. Ano sa isa? Ah, ay, kinuha na dito ni Lolo. Nakakain na.
No, my best
Ano?
snail.
Ha?
My best friend snail.
Ay, ano?
She's dead.
Ay, nakakain na. Why?
I want my best friend snail is dead.
Bakit dead na? Anong ginawa ni Lolo?
Na-fried.
Hindi, tara na, tara. Masarap yun, masarap. May coconut na.
No, my baby.
Oh.
No, my baby.
Loco! Loco, the baby still. Come here! Loco!
Oh, sarap naman ang ulam. Oh, ito ang ulam mo, oh.
No, my best friend snail.
Eh, ano?
They are dead.
Hindi yan. Buhay pa yan. Oh,
No,
tama mo.
it's dead.
Wala.